Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create and share guides in Map. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Launch the Map app, then tap or select your location, now drop pin. After that, we have to tap on three lines and tap on guides. Now tap on new guide, put the name anyone that you want. If you want to add a photo, tap on the camera and select photo from your photo library. Now tap create. If you want to find and share your guides later, what we have to do, just swipe up and slightly right to left, tap on share, select where you want to share: WhatsApp, messages, mail, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and many more options that you have. Here I'm going to select the WhatsApp. Now search the content that you want to share. Tap next and tap send. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.